In 3 seconds, Mina, the factory janitor, turns ordinary machine, hums into a living symphony she can play on a dusty old piano. She listens to every click, clang, and buzz, then breathes melody into the rhythm of the day. Her turning point came during a midnight outage when fear blanketed the floor, and she summoned a comforting song from the chaos. She records a 3-minute piece created entirely from factory sounds, astonishing her crew and herself. There are more incredible people like this out there, waiting to be heard.